We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge in an HP LaserJet Pro M401. So this printer takes an 80A or an 80X. So you have this little button here. If you press that, it'll open your front hatch. Right here is your toner. Go ahead and just pull that up and out. It kind of has a little lever. Go ahead, unbox your new toner. Put your old one to the side so they don't get mixed up. Take your new one. Follow the guides right here on the sides. So you'll stick it in. Once you hear it click, you know it's in place correctly. Then shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.